In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Starbucks gift card. And Starbucks is the American coffee company, so you guys can easily redeem it. The first way is to go to its shop and physically redeem it on the counter. And the second way is by signing up into its app. So first up, you want to download Starbucks app. After you download it, now before moving forward, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on. After downloading an app, you want to click on join now. Once you click on join now, you want to click on where it says already have a Starbucks gift card. After you do that, you want to sign up for Starbucks. And while signing up for Starbucks, if you click on already have a gift card like I did, you can enter a card number and your security code over here. And after filling up all this form and clicking on join now, you will be signed up for Starbucks and its card will be redeemed automatically as well. But if you guys already have an account, you don't have to create one. You can just click on redeem a Starbucks gift card and basically it's done. So hope you guys were able to understand and how you guys can redeem a Starbucks gift card. And I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and bye bye.